Probably sick of the rain by now. We saw a lot of it yesterday across parts of the area. And right now, still a little bit of shower activity. Not too much, just a little bit right here. We'll zoom in for you so you can see it. Up in Bladen County is what we're watching. A little bit just to the south and east of Elizabethtown right here in the county. Just light drizzle for now, but that's really the only thing we're seeing across the area at this point in the day. But during the day yesterday, a lot of folks picking up a decent amount of rain. In fact, at the airport, they got almost 2 inches of rain. That is a very wet day out there. And so far for the year, we've now passed the 40-inch mark very early in the season to do that. We average about 57 inches of rain in a calendar year. We're well on pace to break that, 5 inches above where we should be this time of year. And just to give you an idea, Seattle averages about 38 inches of rain in a whole year. Right now we have 41 inches, so we're a little bit wetter than Seattle is, although we usually are. It's just earlier than you would expect. Storm Text 3 radar right now. A couple of scattered showers across North Carolina, South Carolina, down to Georgia as well. This has been the active zone in the country the last several days. And what's going on? We have all this tropical moisture. It starts down here in the Gulf of Mexico, moves up the coast toward Georgia, North Carolina, and South Carolina, and that's just kind of where it's been making a home for itself over the last several days until a system kicks what's here out. We're going to keep that pattern, and today will be another day we'll have to have that threat in the forecast because that front that's still in the area is going to allow for those thunderstorms to form on again, off again type stuff. So it's another day you don't want to have those car windows rolled down when you're parking, that's for sure. Saw a lot of that yesterday because these showers and storms will be popping up from time to time, and if it rains, it's going to rain hard. So it's not an all-day rain, but just like yesterday, at times you can find yourself caught in a shower. Heading into tomorrow, I think we'll start to see a little bit of a change. We'll get a little bit of drier influence along the coastal areas, so at times we'll see that sun really shining pretty nicely. Just some isolated storms out there for your Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now, what about the tropics? Here's what we're watching right now. Not too much going on in the Gulf of Mexico. In fact, things are very quiet there. Same thing in the Caribbean Sea, and in fact, the most hopeful thing out here is the African coast has been fairly quiet too. There's been a lot of dry air right here. It's coming in off of the Saharan desert. Sometimes you get some dust in the sky to make its way out over the ocean, and when it does that, you can't form a hurricane. So that's been good for us right now. Temperatures out there along the coast today right around 80 or so. Water temperatures at 82. Seas around 2 to 3 feet. Rip current risk is moderate, so do be on the lookout for that. High tide comes in just about 40 minutes. Temperatures throughout the day, 84 for your high temperature. Those scattered storms are out there. Be dodging them throughout the afternoon. 73 for your overnight low and heading into the rest of the forecast. Here's the good news we promised. Heading into Friday, sure, there's a chance of a couple of storms, but by Saturday and Sunday, I think we're going to dry things out. Looks like the humidity drops for both days also. So it's going to be nice and comfortable, a good day to head out to the beach and really anything you want to do, and you won't have to sweat as much.
Perfect timing.